ankles. So first, just to activate the gluteus medius and the upper hips here, we're going to just roll. Let me step back just a little so you can see. I'm going to roll my left foot, which will be your right foot, to the outer border of the foot. You can see how my leg moved out and come in, and change sides, roll out and come in. And you should feel the work right at the top of the thighs like you're doing the work on the reformer. And 5, and 6. So activate right from the glutes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're going for 20, 12, 13. So you're activating. This is where when we actually step, we're going to be wanting to work from the top of the glute. I think that's 18, 19, and 20. Good. So now take your body, don't round your back, break at the hips, and hinge forward. Right? So you're going to stay in neutral spine, but slightly flexed at the hips. And what I want you to do is step out to your side. So you're going to step to your right, step wide, keep that tension on the band, watch your knee track, and come in, and step side. That's 2. Well, that's 1 set. This is the second set. And 3. And work right from here. And 4. Stay pitched forward, long neck. This is 6. And 7. Feel that work. 8. So that's your abductors, the legs that the part of the leg that steps away. And this is 10, I believe. Good. Take a breath in and drive your heels down. Bring your body upright, shoulders over the hips. Let's do a few squats. So if you have light hand weights, I'm walking over to get mine. You can add these. It's not necessary, but if you have them, we're going to just keep the tension on the band and inhale, flex forward at the hips as you did for the stepping, and keeping the tension on the band. Exhale, drive your heels down and bring your body upright. Inhale, reach forward through the crown of the head, long, long back. Exhale, press up. And 3, inhale. Exhale, press up. And 4. Exhale, press up. And 5. Exhale. And 6. Exhale. Open the chest as you come up. Feel the underarms working. The heels drive down. And the back of the legs work. And 1 more. 10. Hold it there. All right, so now we're going to go on. I'm going to put the weights down for a moment. We're going to go on with this stepping pattern. And if you can imagine making an M shape, like a capital M. So we're stretching the band in this wide stance. And what I'm going to do, for you it'll be your right foot, is step forward. There's the top of the M. And join with the other foot. Step back and join. And now reverse it. Step forward and join. Step back. So we're working diagonal. Reach forward, together, back, together. Forward, together, back. That was 3, 4. And you can pitch your body slightly forward. And 5. It's not very graceful looking, is it? And 6. It's kind of like a Frankenstein walk. Hopefully you feel the work. 7. We're going for 10. And 8. Breathing. And 9. Hang in there. I know it burns. And this is 10. And release. Let's do another set of those squats. Grab your weights. And this time, we can reach the feet out. I'm going to bring the arms side. So we did this already in the warm-up without weights. Turn your palms forward so as you bend, The knees go out to the side. The band is going to stretch a little. Inhale. Think of working on the reformer. Squeeze the inner thighs and come back. And inhale. Exhale, grow taller. And 3. And exhale. And 4. And exhale. And 5. Inhale, wrap those thighs. Draw up on the inner thighs. We've worked a lot on the outer, so I want to work on the inner. 7. Draw up. 8. Reach wide through the arms. And 9. And 10. Okay, so now we've done the M. So now we kind of have to do a W. So I need to move my mat. We're going to step back. Okay, so I'm going to make a little more room for myself because I'm going to step back with my right foot, actually your right foot, my left, back together. And wait a minute, let me get this pattern. I'm sorry. Back together and back together. Wait, that isn't right because we're stepping front, front, back, back. Oh, I see. We have to step forward. I'm not all here today. Okay. I guess I'm partly with Mari. Sorry, guys. So we're going to step forward. So back first, together, and out to the side front. Back and front. And back and front. And back and front. And 5. And 6. And 7. I have a feeling this isn't the right pattern, but we'll go with it. Sorry. 8. And 9. And 10. And let's step out of the band. And we're going to actually take that tie band now and put our hands inside. All right, so we've been pulling apart with the band straight, but now we have it inside, and we're going to just pulse, kind of like we do with the magic circle, okay? So pushing out low first, taking a breath, exhale all your air out, and pulsing out. 2, 3, just 4 times. 4. Raising forward. You can bend your knees a little if you want. 2, 3, 4. Bending the elbows, pulling out. Inhale 2, exhale 2, push away. So usually with the circle, we're squeezing in, but we're pulling out here. 3. And 4. Reach down for a moment. Relax. I'm stepping back because I'm going overhead. So we're going to reach those arms up, overhead. Same thing, forward, steady, and then crowning yourself. Ready? Inhale and exhale all your air out. And pulse. 2, 3, 4. Crowning yourself. Push up. Elbows wide. Drive up. And 3. Drive up. Last time. Drive up. And reach all the way down. And relax. Shoulder rolls again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Reverse. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So let's stay standing. Again, you can come to a narrower stance, knees slightly bent. And let's just do a spine twist. So we're going to rotate to the right. Keep a little tension pushing out on the band, and take your rib cage around while your hips face me. Ready? Inhale to the right. Exhale, center. Inhale to the left. Exhale, center. Inhale to the right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. One more time. Inhale, exhale, and inhale, and exhale. And rest your arms. Bring your feet to Pilates V. Doesn't have to be a first position. And let's bring the arms up. And once again, inhale, rotate. So the hips stay forward. Exhale, and inhale, and exhale. And inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale. So I'm going to step back just so you can see me. We're going to do some of the Fletcher hip pulses. We've done that with the circle, but usually we're squeezing in. Keep a little bit of pushing out. As a matter of fact, let's change the palms of the hands to face out to the sides of the room, just for a little bit of a change. And we're going to lean up and over, hip presses out to the right, and let's pulse it. And 2, and 3, and 4. Inhale, pull the right rib cage together. Exhale, settle those shoulders down. Lift the ribs up and lean off to the left and pulse. Keep the inner thighs knit. And 3, and 4. Press out slightly on that pan. Settle the shoulders in 2s. Lift up to the right and pulse. 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 3 was coming center and settle. Like that was supposed to be 2s, right? Lift up and pulse. And 2, 3 to center, and release. Once again, 2, since I messed it up, and in, 2, exhale, 2, and in, 2, exhale, without stopping, shift, in, 2, exhale, 2, and in, 2, exhale, 2, single lift up, and in, 2, exhale, shift up, and in, 2, exhale, shift up, and 3, inhale, shift up, and 4, inhale, shift up, and release those arms down.